Hi, I'm Bobby with Net Gain Real Estate. Are you finding that managing a home renovation is stressful? It can be stressful for homeowners, and it doesn't matter whether you have someone managing every detail of it or whether you're your own general contractor. And we dug into this and asked a lot of people questions, and here's what we found. We came up with 17 reasons that doing a home renovation can be particularly stressful. Number 1, the financial pressure. Home renovations often represent a significant financial investment. The fear of overspending, unexpected costs, staying within budget can create considerable stress. And if there's more than one person involved in the process or in the family, that can also cause additional stress. You worry about whether what you're doing can increase the home's value enough to cover the cost. Number 2, decision fatigue. From choosing the right materials, selecting colors, fixtures, finishes, there are a lot of decisions that you need to make, and it can be overwhelming. This decision fatigue can lead to stress and anxiety, especially when every choice feels consequential. We work really hard with our clients to make sure they move through that process smoothly and easily, and it becomes much more fun and a lot less stressful. Number 3, unexpected complications. Renovations frequently uncover unexpected issues such as structural problems, old wiring, plumbing issues, mold. These complications can lead to delays, additional costs, and decisions needing to be made on the fly. And that adds layers of stress to the process. Timelines and delays. Renovations can run over the initial timeline due to various factors like material delays, shortages, weather conditions, and labor issues. Things that you can't avoid no matter what. Extended timelines can disrupt daily life and plans, causing you stress and inconvenience. And we work with our clients to create a timeline that is effective and that everybody can meet. So therefore, that can eliminate a lot of this stress here. Quality concerns. Worrying about the quality of work and whether the finished product will meet your expectations can be stressful. Hiring contractors that you aren't sure about can lead to concern over reliability and trustworthiness of contractors and workers that are in your home and doing the work. And we work with our clients here to ensure that they get quality contractors that deliver beautiful renovations on time and within budget. Number 6, communication challenges. Effective communication with contractors, architects, and other professionals is crucial, but can also be challenging. Miscommunications can lead to mistakes, dissatisfaction with the results, or even disputes, which are all stressful outcomes. Number 7, keeping the peace on the home front. This is a big one. Renovations can be stressful on relationships, whether with a spouse, family members, or the renovation team. Differences in opinions and preferences can lead to conflicts, adding emotional stress to the process. Number 8, disruption to the daily life. Living through a renovation can be disruptive. Noise, dust, having workers in and out of the home can significantly impact daily routines and privacy, leading to a sense of stress and upheaval. Number 9, permit and regulation navigation. Understanding and complying with local building codes and regulations can be complex and confusing. Securing the necessary permits before starting work can be time-consuming and stressful, especially if this is the first time and you aren't sure what or how to do this. This is one of the many steps we help our clients navigate smoothly and easily. Number 10, living arrangements. For extensive renovations, it may require that you and your family find temporary housing or readjust your space in the home while the work is going on. For example, the kitchen is being completed. That can be disruptive and costly. Juggling living arrangements while renovating can be made fun or stressful. It will be your choice, and we've got some tips on how to make it more fun and less stressful. Number 11, privacy or security concerns. Having various workers coming and going can raise concerns about your privacy and security with unfamiliar people in your private space. Number 12, long-term satisfaction anxiety. Worrying about whether the renovation will stand the test of time or if the design choices will feel dated in a few years can cause stress. There's also the fear that the renovation might not yield the expected return on the investment if the homeowner decides to sell the property. Number 13, child safety concerns. For families with young children, ensuring the renovation space is safe is a super important concern. The presence of tools, materials, and ongoing construction work can cause safety risks to curious children, adding stress to parents who must consistently monitor their parents' safety. Number 14, We are getting towards the end, I promise. Impact on family routines. Renovations often disrupt the normal routines and spaces that families rely on, such as kitchens, bathrooms, and living areas. Number 15, educational disruptions for children. For families undertaking extensive renovations, like the noise and activity could disrupt children's study spaces and routines, especially if they are homeschooling. During contractor hours, you might find it challenging to find quiet, suitable areas for study. But most contractors are gone by 4 p.m., so options exist after that for kids to get their schoolwork done then. Number 16, limited personal spaces. With workers present in parts of the house being inaccessible, it can often feel like your personal space is significantly reduced, and this can lead to strained relationships and contribute to your stress. Number 17, emotional attachment and uncertainty. This is a big one, and that most people don't really think about until they're in the middle of the project. A home is more than just a physical space. It's a place of emotional significance and memories. It's a safety zone. Making changes to such a space can be emotionally challenging and stressful, especially if family members have differing views on the renovation. Also, uncertainty about the final outcome and whether it will meet the emotional and functional needs of the family can create anxiety. Managing these aspects requires a clear and careful planning, smart communication, and sometimes just a bit of patience and flexibility. For homeowners new to the process, seeking advice from experienced professionals or friends who have been through similar renovations can provide valuable insights and support. So, now that we've gotten and given you a ton of reasons why it's so stressful, let's discuss how to overcome a lot of these issues. To start with, there's a great quote I love to share with our clients. Seneca, a leading Roman philosopher, says it best: "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." The likelihood that all 17 of these items are going to happen to you is beyond slim. In fact, none of my clients have experienced many, if any of them, as their own general contractor on their project. We work with each client to map out an optimal plan for the project, strive hard to keep it on track and within budget, all of which eliminates so many of these stress possibilities. And we'd love to help you do the same and save 10, 20, 40,000, or even more on your home renovation as well. Click the links below to get started and to find out more about what we do at NetGain Real Estate. Thank you.